right, we're on the road again today. We're in the Black Pearl again. The Cherokee getting a little bit of surgery on its miscellaneous parts and pieces that have come apart, but we're headed over to Mad Moose Rentals. We've got a guy who unhooked from his trailer in his semi-truck, and he's just off the road about 2 feet. So we should have plenty of good traction. Take the Black Pearl down there and hook up a rope and just tug him back up on the asphalt. Shouldn't be a big problem. So we'll get over there, about a 10-minute drive, so we'll take you along for the ride. Said his diff lock's not working.
Why is he even over here?
Shut up. Dog's all excited about life. Rolled up there.
I'm gonna be a YouTube star now.
You want to be on YouTube?
I don't care.
Hey, what's going on here today?
Well, my dumbass parked right here, and I didn't push my parking brakes. Playing with my dog, Joseph, nice little pit bull, and it rolled over about 3-4 feet, and I'm stuck. And I got the guys here gonna rescue me.
All right. It's always something fun.
Yeah.
Hopefully just a little tug and we'll get him out of there.
Well, as soon as I got there, whoop, the weight just went down there. I didn't go far, obviously. I hit the parking brake, but it was too late because I was already stuck.
Yeah. Well, we should be able to pull you out, I think. Ain't gonna happen today. We was right here close, so we decided to try the Jeep, but we'll go get the 5-ton and we'll get her out of there. Don't worry about it.
Stuck.
Yeah, I'd probably go up there and figure out where you good spot. Okay, that was a little bit of an obstacle to get around with that post there, but we bended out of the way a little and snuck him around there. His wheels turned the wrong direction right off the bat, but we
lost my shoe and it got all wet.
My straps are one.
I'm not gonna pick you up. Drag you out nice and easy, otherwise it's very deep in there.
I know.
You got one more soft shackle down there?
I got one here. Hey, you guys stand back, okay?
I know, right?
Oh, I know. You guys pulled out. I want quarters.
I'm afraid it's dumping right over. Yeah, no. Head that way.
We're gonna.
So that young man right over there, that is the BRC ambassador.
You going this stuff? I'm going this videos this stuff?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The other day we pulled one out of the water.
Out of the water?
It had a trailer on with jet skis.
I say it all the time.
With what
Always
you guys
happens.
doing?
Huh?
What truck was pulling it out? Oh, that one?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
No! My shoe!
How much is that Jeep weighing? How much do you think that Jeep is weighing? Really? I would want to hear that.
Holy crap, bro.
Two trucks got stuck trying to pull this guy out.
There's another guy there. That truck over there.
Yeah, I'll go grab him in just a sec.
Oh, well maybe a different guy.
Oh, he's in a Chevy right there.
He's right here?
Oh, is he right here somewhere? Well, we had a heck of a day today. Saturday before Trail Hero. Everybody's out there getting their camp set up. People coming in from out of town. We had a party in the 5-ton today, pulling people out of that old peanut butter mud down on the beach. So looking forward to seeing the rest of the crew show up and keep everybody rolling down the beach and out on the trail. So just snuck over here and got us a cold Mountain Dew and about 35 gallons of fuel. So we'll get this thing back out there tomorrow with a few other odds and ends. We need to finish setting up the event. We sure appreciate Trail Hero and Rich Klein and the whole crew that helps put this all together. What an amazing event. So shout out to everybody that volunteers and all of the vendors and participants that come out. So we'll get you some good footage from Trail Hero, and thanks for coming along for the ride.